History of Vintage Animal Illustration. Dive into the world of art and illustrations with this comprehensive guide that unravels the secrets of vintage animal illustrations. Whether you're a novice just starting to explore this fascinating genre, an experienced collector, or someone who appreciates the beauty of these timeless pieces, this guide has something for you. So grab a cup of coffee and let's journey together into the world of vintage animal illustrations. History of Vintage Animal Illustrations. The history of vintage animal illustrations is as intriguing as the illustrations themselves. It all began in the 15th century when animals started to take center stage in the world of art and illustrations. These pieces were not just mere drawings, they were an important way of studying and documenting wildlife. The illustrators of yesteryears, armed with just their pencils and brushes, served as the photographers of their time, capturing the nuances and beauty of the animal kingdom. Fast forward to the 19th century, the golden age of vintage animal illustrations, and we see an explosion of these drawings. Printmaking technology had advanced significantly and illustrations became widely accessible. This period gave birth to some of the most iconic vintage animal illustrations that we adore and collect today. These illustrations are not just attractive pieces of art, they're historical documents that give us insights into the past. They show us how people perceived animals, how technology evolved, and how art styles changed over time. They are a testament to the skill and dedication of the artists who created them. So, when you hold a vintage animal illustration in your hand, remember, you're not just holding a piece of paper, you are holding a piece of history. Now, let us take a closer look at what makes these illustrations unique.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.